Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. Today's video is going to be about how you can contact PayPal by phone. To contact PayPal by phone, first of all open the PayPal application on your mobile device and sign in with your credentials, or you can also visit paypal.com on a web browser and log in. Either way, once you're logged in, you'll need to go and look for the Help or Contact Us button. From the home page of your PayPal app, tap on the human icon at the top right-hand corner. This will open up the profile section where you'll need to scroll down and tap on Help. This will open up the Help Center page. Scroll all the way down from the Help Center page and tap on Contact PayPal Support. Now, scroll down again and then tap on Call Us. Click on the Call Us button one more time and you will then be able to contact PayPal support via phone call. Go ahead and make a phone call and you will be able to contact the PayPal customer service when you need immediate or personalized assistance. You can go ahead and talk to them about any issues such as account issues, transaction problems, verification supports, security concerns, and technical supports. So that is how you easily contact PayPal support via phone call. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.